Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Tuesday, May 5th, 2020. Say it with me. Today is Tuesday, May 5th, 2020. Before we get out our journals, I've got to tell you, we're going to change it up today. We're going to do something a little bit different because today's kind of a special day. Maybe some of you know why. Maybe some of you are celebrating today. I'm not sure. So listen carefully right now because we're not going to do what's mostly in your folder. So let me just show you. Normally you would be pulling out the day 2 packet. Leave it in there. We're going to do this one tomorrow. Okay? Leave this in there. Instead, I want you to pull out the day 3 packet. Okay, now this is a little confusing, I know, but it's going to make sense once we get going, okay? So pick out that day 3, week 4 packet, and that blank piece of paper that we usually use for writing Wednesday, we're going to use it today for Tuesday instead, and we're going to make words tomorrow instead, okay? So you need your day 3 packet today and your blank piece of writing paper. I'm kind of switching the days up, okay? But we're not going to be doing all of this. So you'll hear more about that during language arts, but you need that one today, okay? Day 3, week 4. And then for math today, you're going to need lesson 9 only, okay? So pull off both papers for lesson 9 and the My Homework page, okay? And the My Homework page. And that means you're going to leave lesson 10 and the My Review pages in your blue folder, okay? So you need those and your journal, and we are all set and ready to begin. All right, let's get going. All right, guys, today is Tuesday, May 5th, 2020. Write it with me. Capital T, U, E, S, D, A, Y, comma, space, capital M, A, Y, space, 5, comma, space, 2020. The abbreviated version is 5-5-20. The 5th month of the year, the 5th day of the month, and the 20th year of this century. Now, I don't know if you guys know, but May 5th is actually a really important day in Mexico. It's a holiday called Cinco de Mayo. Now, Cinco de Mayo means the 5th of May. And so sort of like we name our 4th of July, just the name of the actual day in the month, that's how this holiday is named in Mexico. However, it is not their Independence Day. But I'm not going to give you that lesson. I actually have another video ready for you guys to watch in a little bit, but we'll get to that in a second. So because it's Cinco de Mayo today, I want us to write a sentence in Spanish, and it's a really easy sentence. We're going to write today is Cinco de Mayo, okay? And the way that you write that is hoy, which is capital H-O-Y, and that means today, es, which means is. So today is, and then we need to write the 5th of May. Now, actually, a lot of the parts of the date in Spanish usually aren't capitalized, but because it is a holiday, we are going to capitalize it. Hoy es cinco. Cinco means 5 de Mayo. Capital M-A-Y-O. You guys just wrote a sentence in Spanish. Today is the 5th of May, or today is Cinco de Mayo. Okay, awesome job. And that's it. So if you want to draw a picture here, you can, but it's a free draw. It's whatever you want to draw, but no picture is required today. Okay, all right. I hope you did your morning work. If you didn't yet, go ahead and pause and get that done. It's the day 3, week 4 morning work. All right, go for it. All right, we're going to start with correcting the sentences. Number 1 says, it rains in the spring. It rains in the spring. We need a capital I, okay, and we need a period. It rains in the spring. I'm trying to use my neatest handwriting, but I'm using a really big marker. I want to make sure you guys can see it okay. So I'm sorry that some of the letters look like they're sticking together. This marker kind of bleeds out a little bit. Number 2, do you need a straw? Do you need a straw? It's a capital D and a question mark at the end because it is an asking sentence. Do you need a straw? Excellent job. Now, number 3 is a review of something we learned quite a while ago. Write a or an for each word. Remember, if the word starts with a vowel and you need to put the word a in front of it, you actually need to write an instead. So, do you have an umbrella? Because U is a vowel. Car, is C a vowel? Nope. So you would just say a car. I have a car. What about egg? Do you have a egg or an egg? An, because E is a vowel. You guys remember that? And what are the vowels again? A, E, I, O, U. Okay. All right. Underline the title of the book. We read The Three Little Pigs. What is the title of the book? It's The Three Little Pigs. Okay, and each letter of the title is capitalized there, which helps give you a clue as to what the title is. And then this is a review from last week. Write a compound word. Okay, compound word is 2 words put together to make a new one. And the best one that we did last week that we used a lot was butterfly. You can choose any one like pancake or whatever you want to write right there. But I'm going to put butterfly because we did our butterfly life cycles last week. Awesome job, guys. All right, guys, whenever you're ready to get started on language arts, you can move on to the next link. You'll notice that there's actually 2 links in that section because one of those is a video about Cinco de Mayo that I want you to watch, that you'll need to watch if you don't know a lot about Cinco de Mayo in order to answer the questions that we're going to be answering in our language arts time. So it might mean that you watch that link first, or when you get to that part of the video where we're doing the Cinco de Mayo writing, that you can pause the video and go to the other one. Whatever works for you. Just notice that there's 2 of them, and one of them's, it's not a video I made. It's another video I found all about Cinco de Mayo for you guys to check out, okay? All right, so whenever you're ready, go ahead and click on the language arts link to get it started.